Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the past with some incredible Depression-era recipes. These aren't just some dusty old recipes, They're a lifeline. Back then, folks had to stretch every penny and every crumb. And what they pulled off with so little is nothing short of miraculous. So put on your aprons and let's get cooking. The Great Depression was a time of hardship. No doubt about it. People were struggling to put food on the table, let alone make it delicious. But you know what? They didn't give up. They got creative. They learned to make do with what they had. And they created some truly incredible dishes. Now, don't think for a minute that these recipes are all bland and boring. That's where you're wrong. They're all about simple, honest flavors, using basic ingredients to create something truly satisfying. And let me tell you, these dishes are packed with flavor. Our first recipe is a classic poor man's meal. Now, don't let the name fool you. This dish is anything but pitiful. It's a hearty, flavorful combination of potatoes, onions, and whatever protein you could get your hands on. We'll start by dicing our potatoes, and onions nice and thin. You want them to practically melt in your mouth. Then we'll brown our protein. Could be ground beef, sausage, even bacon if you're lucky. And toss it all together in a pan with some seasonings. It's that simple. Next, we're tackling another Depression-era staple, creamed chipped beef. Now, I know what you're thinking. Creamed chipped beef? That sounds dreadful. But trust me on this one. It's creamy, it's savory, and it's absolutely delicious, especially when served over a bed of fluffy white rice or toast. The key to a good creamed chipped beef is all in the sauce. We'll start by making a roux. That's just butter and flour, nice and easy. Then we'll whisk in some milk, a pinch of salt and pepper, and our chipped beef. Let it simmer until thickened, then pile it high on some toast and tuck in. Our third dish is called Hoover stew, named after President Hoover, who, let's just say, wasn't exactly known for his culinary skills. This stew is a testament to the ingenuity of people during tough times, using whatever vegetables they could scrounge up, to create a nourishing and flavorful meal. The beauty of Hoover stew is that there's no right or wrong recipe. Throw in whatever vegetables you've got, potatoes, carrots, beans, cabbage, anything goes. We'll simmer them all together in a pot with some water or broth until they're tender and flavorful. And finally, no Depression-era meal would be complete without a slice of Depression cake. This cake is a testament to the power of resourcefulness, using simple pantry staples to create a sweet treat. That brought a little bit of joy to difficult times. What makes this cake unique is that it doesn't use any eggs or butter, which were luxury items during the Depression. Instead, we'll use oil and a combination of baking soda and vinegar to create a moist and flavorful cake. That's sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these recipes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more historical cooking adventures. See you next time.